Hi, my name is Wojtek. I have a building company, Bouw en Renovatie Wojtek Pluta, and I live in Weert. I like Milwaukee Packout because it's very easy to transport my tools and also all of the stuff that I needed for my job. I own different Milwaukee Packout system. For example, a couple of trolley, few organizers, different size, radio, big charger for a few battery, vacuum cleaner. I want to use the Packout system for different jobs. I make a trolley for Electra, also for plumbing and wooden work.
All available at Bouwmaat.